Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to make QR code for a small business with a simple yet powerful tool. Make sure to watch the entire video to understand the complete process. So let's get started. QR codes can be used to direct people to a variety of destinations, making them incredibly versatile for personal or business use. First, head over to QRFY website by using the link in the description below. Once you're on the home page, you'll see multiple options for where you want your QR code to direct users. You can link it to a URL, which is perfect for directing users to a website or specific web page, a piece of text, a Wi-Fi network, a V-card for sharing contact details, or even other platforms like WhatsApp, email, and more. There are additional options when you click See More, such as linking the QR code to a video, images, playlists, MP3s, an app, or even a PDF. For this demonstration, I'll choose the URL option. I'll use my YouTube channel as an example, so I'll simply copy the URL from my channel and paste it into the provided field. After that, you can start customizing the appearance of your QR code. QRFY offers a variety of designs, and on the right-hand side, you'll see a live preview of what your QR code will look like. You can choose the style that fits your brand or personal preference, and if you want, you can adjust the shape of the QR code itself. QRFY also lets you add a logo or other custom elements, such as a frame. I'll select a simple frame that says, "Scan me," but you can fully customize the text and even change its color. This is a great way to make your QR code stand out, especially if you're using it for promotional purposes or in a business setting. Once you're happy with the design and customization, simply click the Download QR button. Before you can download, you'll need to create an account, which is quick and easy. You can sign up using your Google account or by entering an email and password. After signing up, you'll be able to download your QR code in a variety of formats, such as PNG, which is perfect for high-quality printing or sharing digitally. When someone scans the QR code I just created, they'll be taken directly to my YouTube channel. It's a really convenient way to share links without having to give out long URLs. QRFY also offers paid plans if you want additional features or the ability to create unlimited QR codes. You can use the service for free for 7 days, which gives you enough time to try out all the features. If you decide to continue using QRFY after the trial, they offer flexible pricing plans. With the paid plans, you can create unlimited QR codes and get access to premium features, making it a solid option for businesses or individuals who need QR codes regularly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check the link to QRFY in the description below. This will take you directly to their website, so you can start creating your own customized QR codes. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.